Hi everybody! Ayan. So, eto na yung dapat ipapakita ko kanina kung paano natin gagamitin yung gesso. So, meron akong clear gesso, may white gesso. Tapos, eto lang yung gagamitin ko later, yung palette knife na plastic from Distress as well. And then, gagamit lang din tayo ng watercolor brush. At saka, iba't ibang Distress crayon. So, I know last week, I've showcased sa inyo yung background na ginawa ko doon sa isang Bible journal ko. So, now, we're gonna use this. Ito yung Old Testament and New Testament na super makapal na talaga siya. Na Bible journal na wide margin. So, because ang na-discuss natin earlier was Psalm chapter 1. So, let's just go to Psalm chapter 1. Yan. Okay. There you go. So, let me just spread it. And lang natin dito. Okay. There. Before I designed this using our Distress crayons, lalagyan ko muna siya ng gesso. So, gagamitin ko yung, siguro gamitin ko na lang yung white para mas makita nyo kung gaano siya magiging makulay kapag ginamitan natin siya. Alright? Wait lang. I'll just pause for a bit para patayin ko yung electric fan. Okay, so let's open the gesso. Nilalagyan ko siya nitong plastic para nakalubog talaga siya doon. And hindi agad tumigas yung gesso natin. Kaya, yun yung secret. Yung secret is yung plastic. So, ayan. So, ito yung gesso na white. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, let's just put just a little bit. Yan. Ayan. So, prepare lang natin siya para, although makapal naman yung paper nito, di naman siya nagbi-bleed talaga sa likod. But, you know, somehow, I feel na mas maganda pa rin kung i-prepare natin siya with gesso para mas kitang-kita mo yung colors na i-apply mo. Yan. So, let me just do this. Yung iba, yun nga, sabi nila, mas maganda isang stroke lang. Pero sa akin, it doesn't matter. Wala namang rhyme or reason sa akin kasi art is how you wanted it to be. So, free kang gawin kung anong gusto mong gawin. Especially if you're actually doing it for your Bible journaling. So, it is your time to do whatever it is and how you wanted to do it. Kung paano mo gustong i-design yung time mo with the Lord. Ayan. So, seal natin ulit ang ating gesso with the plastic. Yan. And then, hayaan lang natin siyang matuyo muna. Okay? Somehow, or sometimes, ginagamitan ko siya ng blower. Ayan. So, ito na nga. Gamitan natin siya ng blower. Maingay lang yung blower. Pero gusto ko kasi ipakita sa inyo na pwede nyo gamitan ng heat gun or blower para lang mas madali siyang matuyo. Okay. One of the things that you can also do is to use stencil using yung white gesso para mas marami kang magawang design. Tada! So, hindi pa tuyo. Okay, there you go guys. I hope at least nakita nyo kung paano natin pwedeng gamitin ang ating distress crayons. Ayan, hiwa-hiwalay na po sila. Ayan, and as well as ating gesso para sa ating Bible journal as long as meron kayong wide margin. So, ayan, di naman talaga ako ganun kagaling mag-sketch or mag-paint or mag-draw, but you know, that's the beauty of it. So, you can just do whatever it is that you feel like doing. So, ako, dahil ang pinaka-center ng Psalm 1, as for me, kung paano ko siya tinake, is yung streams of water. Diba? Si Shine then streams of water, because the Lord is actually the living water who's giving us, you know, the strength and the life to be able to make sure that we will be successful in our endeavors as long as we are under His will. So I hope that you had a blessed journaling time with us, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!